Alright, this is a short video to demonstrate how to swap keycaps on the migthy KBD. By default, we have the Windows key and the Alt key, and if we're primarily using the keyboard with a Mac, we may want to swap to the Mac key so it feels more natural. So just gently slide the fingernails right kind of diagonally under the keycap and just gently wiggle and pull vertically, and it just comes out right very easily. Then we just simply reinsert the Mac key. Command key goes here, Option key this way goes here. Gonna push it down nicely, snugly, and that's it. Same thing if we want to swap to Linux. We put the Alt key back in here, we put out the Option, and we have our Ubuntu themed Linux keycap. And that's it.